Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create this aesthetic filter for your edit in CapCut. So first, just add your photo or video and then go to the adjust menu and use this setting. So for the brightness, I lower it to -17 and contrast -30, saturation 13, then exposure -10, sharpen 55, then click on the highlight and add it up to 15, shadow 20, temperature 5, and also hue. Now lastly, go to grain and add it up to 30. Just click on the check icon and drag the adjustment for all of your edits. Okay, so now it's done and here is the result. Okay everyone, so that's an aesthetic filter on CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment, and click on thanks. Thank you.